Yeah, yeah. Now you are visible and audible, both of. So
Okay.
please,
So
we are meeting for the very first time. So please introduce yourself.
yeah, my name is Mamta Yadav. I hail from Haryana. I have done BCA as a profession. I am a computer instructor. That's all about myself.
Okay, ma'am.
Could I have your
So now,
introduction, please?
yes, ma'am. Yes. Other someone calling me. That's why I got. So as you know, my name is Geeta Chaudhary. I live in Dura, nearby Fatehpur Sikri. I'm married. I have two kids, one daughter and one girl. My daughter is 8-year-old and my son is 4-year-old. If you talk about my qualification, I have completed my 12th class in 2014 and nowadays I'm learning English because I want to make environment for my kids, so that's why I'm learning. And if you talk about my hobby, I like stitching, dancing, singing, and sometime like reading a storybook. That's all.
Okay.
Yes.
Very nice introduction, ma'am. Okay. Do you stitch?
Yes, ma'am. I stitch. I
What
know.
do you what do you stitch?
Like a blouse, petticoat, suit, gown, like this thing.
Okay. For yourself or other one as well?
No, on myself.
Okay. You stitch
Yes.
yourself only. Okay.
Yeah.
I
On,
also love
on
stitching. I also love stitching. I also stitch
yeah.
clothes for myself.
Yes, ma'am. Because in my side, some people I live in market, so that's why there is a lot of tailor. So it's happened. Now I'm
Okay.
focusing on myself.
Okay. You are living in city area.
Yes, you can say I live in village, but in this small market, so that's why there is a lot of tailor.
Okay. Nobody
Yeah,
wants to stitch from villager person.
yeah. This village is very big village. Dura is very big village, so that's why in this village, a small market.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. And how long have you been learning English language? I want to know about your English journey. Please,
Yes,
could you
ma'am.
tell me?
If you talk about my speaking journey, then I started my speaking journey only 3 months ago. But if you talk about my YouTube channel, I started my YouTube channel 1 year ago. That time I uploaded daily use sentence video. But after that, my speaking journey, I upload like a conversation video on my YouTube channel.
Okay. So are you getting good views on your channel or not?
Yeah, ma'am. Sometime because I can't maintain my consistency because of I have lot of work. I have animals, so that's why. If I have free
Okay.
time, that time I make video, and if I don't have time, then I forget.
Okay. Because I also messaged you many days ago, but you didn't reply.
Yes, ma'am. Because sometime I have free time and sometime I'm busy, so that's why.
Okay. No issue.
Yeah,
Oh, how many animals do you have?
like eight animals, and in there is a eight member in my family.
Okay. Who do work for them? Who- You only or you
My
all of you?
no, no, my mother-in-law is they handle animals and I handle my household chores only.
Okay.
But
Oh,
sometimes I help them and they help me.
okay. Yeah, yeah. We are family and we should help each other because
Yeah, yeah.
you keep at about nine animals, nine domestic animals. So it is not easy task to do all the
For
works
one,
all
yeah.
alone. So yeah, it must be tiring.
Sometime my help my father-in-law for my mother and my grandmother also. I have grandmother-in-law, so they help me and they help them, my mother-in-law.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you
So
might
please,
have a big house You might be a big house.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Yeah, I have noticed. I have noticed because I am from also village, so I have a big house where we keep animals and we live another place. Is a separate place for animals and separate place for
Yes,
family
ma'am.
members. We
Yes,
keep
yes.
both place separate. So
Yeah.
we have
You
to
know,
manage to place at the same times.
I have only two plates like for animals, different plate, and we our type. You can say men for family members our type, but they
Yeah.
connect each other.
Okay. Do you sell the
Yeah.
milk? Do you
Yes, ma'am.
sell the milk?
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. Sell. I sell like to bania of
Okay,
bania.
Banya. Not milkman.
Yes.
You don't give the milk to the
No, no.
milkman.
Nowadays, because not more much milk, so that's why I only sell bania. But that time I much milk that I sell. You can say milkman.
Okay,
But
means
now
sweets. Sweet. Who makes the sweets? They take their milk. Take your milk.
my mother-in-law.
No, I'm talking about uh, sweet. Who all have sweet soap? Who make sweets?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Banya. You were saying Banya.
No, 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 no.
They
Sweet.
do they have soap? Sweet
The
soap?
other, yes, the other. You can say pandit.
Okay.
Pandit.
What
They
do
milkman. They
okay.
our milkman. So they give my our milk. They take and they make sweets.
Yeah, that's why I'm saying.
Yes,
There might be a sweet soap. That's why
yes.
they are taking your milk and they are
Yeah.
using for making sweets of that milk.
Some the that time I take give milkman. They that time I need for sweets. Then this I sell and they make sweets and then give me.
Okay. Yeah, it's good. Do they live nearby you or somewhere else?
Now other place, you can say in
Okay.
market.
In market they are living. Okay. They come to
Yeah.
your place and they take your milk.
No, they come. They come and
Yeah.
take and yeah.
Yeah. That's why I'm saying they come to your place and then take your milk.
Yeah.
Okay. Every day they come.
Yeah.
Okay.
But
And
in this time, not more much milk, so that's why they couldn't come.
okay.
Yeah. And please
They
tell me,
don't
ma'am,
come.
why are you learning English?
I just want to I also want to become an English fluent speaker of English. Nothing else.
Okay. So, do you have any kid?
Yeah, I have two children. My son is in 11th standard. My daughter is in 7th standard.
Okay. Both are learn English. Both are know about how to speak English.
Yeah, they are going to in private school. They are going to private school. They know how to speak English because they are studying in English medium. So they know.
You can say you have environment for your English speaking.
Yeah, I have, but when we are at home, we
Mm.
hardly speak English language.
Yeah.
But
You know, but
nowadays children are children used to speak. Means my children speaks at home whenever they feel happy and something like that. Otherwise, we
yeah.
are comfortable in our native language.
Yes, ma'am. It's happened
But
because
as they are growing, they have started speaking English language uh, at home as well.
yeah. But it's, in my side, I have don't any environment for English because my daughter and my boy is very small, so that's why. And my in family member they don't know how to speak English, so
Okay,
I do
yeah,
practice
that's
my
good.
YouTube channel.
Yeah, it's good. If you are learning, it's very good. Please keep continue, keep sticking, learning English language. Don't give up. You
Yes,
will
ma'am.
learn very soon.
Yeah.
Okay, how old your children?
My you can say my daughter is 8 year old and my son is 4 year old.
Okay,
Both are
they are
small.
small. Yeah,
Yeah,
they might have gone start. They might have gone to school.
yeah. They gone to school. You can say any private school. You can say very small school in village.
Okay,
They both are good. Come to for you can say our tuition.
okay. They went to they go to tuition.
Yeah, they come. They have come.
Okay. No, I'm asking they go to tuition. You
Yes,
don't teach. You don't teach them.
yes. Sometime I have free time that I daily stay teach.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
where do they go to
In
study?
for outside in my inside my home side. You can say back
Okay.
side.
Next to your home,
Yeah, back side in back side.
back side of your home. Okay. Who teach
Yeah.
them?
You
Is it
my sister-in-law.
sister-in-law? Okay.
Yeah.
That's good. It's good. Okay.
They teach lot of student. They have lot of students, so that's why I gave.
Okay. Have you completed your household chores?
Yes, ma'am. But in it's time to like evening time for evening food. You can say dinner.
Okay. Okay. You have you did prepare for dinner so far.
Yeah, ma'am. After this session, I started. I will start.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Good. Okay. We want to ask some. Okay. What do you do in your leisure time?
Yeah, ma'am. Sometime you can say my hobby like teaching. If I have free time, then I drawing and reading books a little bit.
Uh, which types of books do you read?
My daughter books, you can say storybook, English storybook. You know they say my daughter is fourth standard, so that's why the storybook is very easily speak and reading.
Yeah, it's in a simple language. If we
Yeah,
read
ma'am.
small standard books, it has written in simple language. Everyone can understand, everyone can read. And if you
Yeah,
read the small standard books, you can implement that on your
yes,
speaking
ma'am.
part as well.
And very you can say interesting story in this book.
Yeah, there might be a moral story.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, it's
and,
good.
and some and sometime I watch English content in my leisure time. You can say story time.
Okay, okay. On YouTube channel, where do you watch?
Yes, on YouTube only.
Okay. Are you following any channel? So still,
Yes, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. You can say one is I forget name, but Sunshine channel is very good. There
is
is a
it
very
children? Is
yes,
it
ma'am.
children channel?
You can say cartoon channel, but there is a in English, so that's why I like.
Okay, it is in English language. Okay, that's
Yeah,
good. Keep going.
yeah. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, shall we sum up this session? Because you also have to do household chores.
Yes, ma'am. I stop this. I want to stop. So,
Okay, thank you. Bye.
bye, ma'am. Take care.